Oh, hello everybody. Today is opposite day. So, today I'm going to share my opposite game with you. This is how it looks like with so many cards. So, we are going to arrange them and we'll be back with you and read the opposites with you. So, look, these are the opposites. So I'm going to show you one. Winter, summer. So let's start reading. Dirty, clean, right, wrong, quiet, noisy, low, high, strong, weak.
Very good.
Fast, slow, blunt, sharp, front, back.
Can you show your front and back in your hand?
Front, back.
Very good.
Closed, open. Cry, laugh.
How do you cry and laugh?
Oh, cold, hot.
Jim. Yes.
In, out. Look, this ladybug has went like this. Look, he has flown off. Heavy, light, old, young, sad, happy.
What makes you happy?
Erika.
And what makes you sad?
Nothing.
Okay, go to next.
So, where was I at?
Happy, sad.
Happy, sad, light, dark, big, small, hard, soft, bad, good, left, right.
Which is your left and right?
This is my left, this is my right.
Very good.
So, summer, winter.
So now is summer or winter?
It is summer.
Okay.
Winter, difficult, easy.
What is
Like,
easy?
Easy is something is so 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6.
Very good.
So, what difficult? 4 times plus 2 times equals 72 times equal down, up, dry, wet. How many opposites did I learn today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have learned 24
Opposites.
opposites.
Is it written on the box also?
Yes, they're written on the box. So, 24 pieces puzzle.
Okay.
In real, there are many, 84, or I don't know. But there's only 8 at first. So, hope you enjoy all the opposites. There are even more. It is autumn,
Morning.
morning, evening, autumn, spring,
Black.
black, white, red, yellow, orange, green.
Yes.
So, hope you enjoy all the opposites. So, also,
It's fun and learn.
it's fun and learn. We have played opposites also and learn also it. So, hope you enjoy it. Bye.